why should one be choosing the master course in equity research and valuation only. So we have to understand that there are three factors to look at. One is who's teaching the course, which is very important. Second is what is the course content that is there. And third one is how well can this course be taught to you so that you can actually imbibe it into your daily workings. Now, number one is I have close to 28 years of work experience in the markets. And one thing that I've realized is that experience counts a lot. Second is that I have been with my current employer for more than 12 years in the position of head of research. And over this period, I would have looked at least 500 business models. So I exactly know how businesses run, what things drive the stock, what moves the market, what is the market wanting. So all these things are known to me, and because I have been through so many models over the last 11 years, I can clearly tell you how uh, the numbers are derived, and applying the concepts of what the management says, how much of it can actually come into fruition, and how to prepare these financial models. So this is wherein lies the difference of what I get in as experience to this course. Course is structured by me because I'm not only a analyst, but I also do invest on my own money. So as an investor, I know what I'm looking for, what are the things that I need, what are the valuation factors that I need to derive. So all these, the experience, the requirement as an investor, and the third thing is that this course has got 4 months of internship. So over a period of 4 months, you will be analyzing four different types of models. One is a consumer stock, one is a banking stock, another would be commodity, and the fourth factor is that we'll be looking at conglomerates where you apply multiple valuation factors to derive value, right? For businesses which have got different number of strategic business units. So when you go through this 4 month of internship, what happens is you are doing certain working. Uh, then my team is working with you to get things in place. And foremost of all, what happens is that each analyst would be presenting themselves on a webinar to the entire class. So it's in a professional setting. Also, this is relayed, broadcasted to the entire cyberspace. It's done live on YouTube. So a lot of preparation and uh, responsibility is there with the analyst to get the best model out. And most of these analysts are looking to use this course as a stepping stone to get a career into the financial investment banking arena. So the work done by everyone is top class. You've got the best of effort, the best of output is got from you, and within the class, because there are close to 100 students, what is happening is there is a kind of competitiveness to outdo each other, and it is in a very healthy manner. So this really brings out the best in the student, and this is uh, one course which offers this entire uh, process. It is designed by me, and it is thought out from end to end to bring the best output from a student in the shortest possible time. And trust me, at the end of 4 months of training and 2 months of course understanding, you will be as good as a junior analyst with virtually 2 years of work experience.